What do the dashboard indicators and instrument cluster in the 2022 GMC Hummer EV signify? They provide vital information on vehicle performance, battery status, and system alerts to ensure a smooth and safe driving experience. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Driver seat belt reminder light. Front passenger seat belt reminder light. Brake system warning light. Electric parking brake light. Airbag readiness light. Charging system light. Passenger airbag status indicator. Low state of charge light. Charge cord connected light. Battery fault light. Propulsion power is limited light. Service vehicle soon light. Service electric parking brake light. Analog brake system, ABS, warning light. Four-wheel drive light. Lane keep assist, LKA, light. Automatic emergency braking, AEB, disabled light. Vehicle ahead indicator. Pedestrian ahead indicator, traction off light. Stability track off light. Traction control system, TCS. Trailer sway control light. Driver mode control light. Four-wheel steering light. Air suspension light. Tire pressure light. Security light. Vehicle ready light. High beam on light. IntelliBeam light. Lamps on reminder. Cruise control light. Adaptive cruise control light. Curve speed control light. Super cruise light. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.